Hope you guys are having a great day. We are still here in Dubai. Today is going to be a special tasting dish. We're going to go to Union Corp hypermarket. It's a supermarket, guys. There is a small kitchen inside the supermarket, and which serves all the Arabic cuisines like kebabs to shawarmas to grilled fish to koftas to falafel. So since it's Friday, they have their special chicken salona. It's an Arabic stew, and we're going to try it out with some rice. And all their dishes are really good, guys. So let's go inside and then order the food and taste it and see what it tastes like. Get me one small portion. So guys, we got the takeaway because there's no place to dine in because it's a supermarket, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find a park nearby to have a delicious lunch. I hope so. The best part of Dubai is you can always find a close by park in the community area that you live. So, and since they didn't have a rice portion, I ordered a small portion of basmati rice from the restaurant close by to the supermarket, guys. So I'm walking down almost close to the Sheikh Zayed Road in finding a park. I'm sure there's a park, guys, somewhere. So let's go to the park and enjoy the meal. So as you can see, it's a beautiful walkway, guys. It's very quiet. You hardly see any people. Maybe because it's a Friday and it's everyone's working. So let's find out. Look at all those buildings. It's amazing, guys. The architecture of Dubai, it's beautiful, right? That's one of the best architectures, I think so. All right, let's get to the game. Also, there is some McDonald's which is opening soon there, guys. So, and so this is all not a residential. This is all where offices and all the corporates are here. Guys, I think the mission is accomplished. I think I found a park. See, there is a park, and also something interesting. There is a recycling center by the side of the road, guys, where you have a special container for wood, leather, textiles, plastics, paper, cardboard, right, which is very good for the environment. So if you see anything like this, if you have something to drop, please drop it. Also, there's another side, right? There's more containers, cans, metals, rubber, colored glasses, clear glasses. It's very interesting, guys. It's very interesting. It's very interesting, guys. Recycling at its peak, I would say. So I think it's Dubai. So guys, there's also a tea shop. Maybe after food I can try some karak chai. It's not a busy place, guys. So we are inside the park. I need to find a quiet spot so that I can have my lunch. And it's a bit sunny outside, guys, but the park is very green. And also there's a tea shop where you can try your karak chai. So I think this is a nice spot. What do you guys think? So this is a nice spot to sit down by the side of the tall buildings of Dubai and have your lunch. So let me settle down in this spot. Guys, the best part of this place is it's very quiet, nice, and you can hear the birds singing. You can small rice, but it doesn't smoke that small. It's a huge portion, guys. That's like a big portion. See that? That's like a big portion of rice, and I don't think I will need the raita and the chutney, because I want to just, I'll keep this aside because I want to just enjoy my main dish. Right, guys, so I got my basmati rice. It's not a small portion, guys. That's like a lot of portion. Long grain basmati rice. It's a big portion, right? Two people can have it. And the most weighted chicken salona. You can see it's an Arabic stew, guys. Cooked with some broth and chicken on the bone, some potatoes, and some vegetables. Right. So guys, let me just pour all that sauce, right, and a piece of that soggy. Guys, the chicken is so moist. Look at the chicken, guys. It's so soft. Especially look at this. Look at this piece of chicken. It just falls off. Right. More of the sauce. And the potato is very moist, guys. It's very moist. Guys, so piece of potato. See the chicken on the skin. Right. Let's take the first bite. So big bite, guys. Big bite. Guys, the chicken is very soft, man. Chicken is very good. Wow. Honestly, guys, this Arabic stew, the chicken salona, it's not spicy at all. You can taste that, I think, ginger, cumin, and that especially I think it's tomato based. I can taste the tomato broth and that caramelized onions, and also the you can see also the chicken stock, guys. It's cooked on a broth. It's very oily, you know. It's the oiliness in the broth comes from the chicken bones, guys, right? It comes from the chicken bones. That's why it's tasty. I can't wait for the next bite. That one is so good, especially when you're taking the bite of the chicken skin. It's so good. The potato has absorbed that chicken stock, the chicken broth. Even the potato is potato tastes like a piece of chicken, you know. It's so good. You can just have the broth, you can just drink the soup itself, and more of that gravy. It's very oily gravy, guys. Let me put all of them. Nothing makes me more happy than having a good meal, man. It makes you really happy. Especially the food is something very special, guys. It connects people. You don't need a language. It's all about the taste. So it's all about the spices. And if you're here in Dubai, definitely on a Friday try that chicken salona at Union Corp in Sheikh Zayed Road. It's front of Dubai Mall, right? You can just Google it, Union Corp. my lunch in the park is over. So that was really yummy. Thank you, brother. From the teammate. So I'm gonna finish my day with the chai, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys like it. I'll meet you guys on another video. So till then, love you all.